Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. My desire is to help you transform your space from house to home. Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I am so excited to come to you with this next video because it is hosted by two of my favorite sisters, you guys, Miss Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner and the diva herself, honey, Miss Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on the Down with Kimberly Davis. My sisters are teaming up with an open collab entitled the Fall Coffee / Beverage Bar Collab. Real simple, real easy. This asks us to style up our bar, beverage of your choice, for the fall. So for me, I am doing a 3-part fall cart. It will be my coffee / tea / cocoa because it's that time of year, and I cannot wait to share with you the new pieces that I have to style up for this fall season. So without any further ado, let's get to it, guys. Okay guys, here is my coffee / cocoa / tea bar for the fall season. I picked up those beautiful pumpkin cups just recently from Home Goods, and I knew that I had to design a bar cart around those beauties. Everything else, you guys, I simply shopped my home for items that I already had to bring this collection together. Now, starting from left to right, you guys, I have that beautiful gold tray that I picked up from Ross Home Stores several years ago. It is a staple in my home. It just houses everything so perfectly, and it fit in with the gold theme, so that became the anchor for the accessories or the condiments of my bar. In the apothecary jars, you guys, I've had them for such a very long time. I collected them from Michael's, and I think all of them were purchased at 50% off at minimal cost. I have housed inside our butter toffee coffee. We are loving that right about now. Then I have my marshmallows for my hot cocoa. And then you guys, in the back, they are the like rock candy. The Sizzler rock candy is absolutely amazing in tea. If you've never tried it, try it in some tea. It's amazing. So after that, of course, my Keurig is a staple. I picked that up from Target, you guys, in the ocean blue. And then I just styled one of the beautiful pumpkin cups on there. Then you guys, that thankful sign, I picked that up from Ross Home Stores several years ago. And I thought it would be really, really nice to just hang it on the back of the backsplash or the underneath the cabinet, just to give a little bit of style and dimension to that area. And on the tray, you guys, this tray itself was another Ross find. You guys, I absolutely love it. It gives me that element of glam and function. And on top, I adorned those beautiful acorns I picked up from Hobby Lobby this season. Then there is the rest of that beautiful pumpkin cup collection. And on the bottom, I have I always love to do like an inspirational cup on my bar cards, and it says "Be a Gold Digger." I absolutely love that. That is the theme for so many things in my life, because I am a gold digger. I'm constantly working to achieve goals and dream bigger. So I love that. And I just coupled it with some more coordinating gold and white cups, keeping with that gold and white theme. I got those cups, all the ones on the bottom, from Burlington. And then look at the little squirrel. It's absolutely adorable. That was picked up from Hobby Lobby. I love the gold pine cone that it's holding. And to keep in with that gold and white theme, you guys, I added that grateful pumpkin, and it is absolutely perfect. I love the end result of this bar cart. If this is your first time visiting, I want to say welcome to TMB Designs, and I want to invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. We are full of positivity and creativity, and we would love to have you be a part. Now, to all of my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you. I want to say thank you to my beautiful sisters, Miss Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, as well as Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Thank you guys for hosting such a fun collaboration. After you finish watching my video, please go ahead and click on that playlist and enjoy the other creators' content. I'm sure you will find some type of inspiration to get you in the decorating mood for the fall season. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. To the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most Beauti-Fall day. Smooches.